Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the seventh episode of our biophysics series. Today we are tackling one of the biggest puzzles in biophysics. How does a simple string turn into a complex machine? In our last episode, we talked about DNA, your body's instruction manual. But a manual just tells you what parts to buy. To build something, you need the workers. In your body, those workers are tiny machines called proteins. Proteins are the do everything machines of your body. They digest your food, fight off germs, carry oxygen, and let you move. But they don't start out looking like machines. They start as a floppy, wiggly chain of chemical beads linked together. So, how does a floppy chain turn into a 3D machine? This is called protein folding. Think of it like a paper crane. You start with a flat, boring piece of paper, but with the right folds, it becomes a beautiful, complex bird. For a protein, the paper is the chain of beads. The magic is that this chain does not need a folder to help it. It folds itself into its final shape the moment it's made. The instructions for which shape to fold into are hidden in the order of the beads themselves. So, what makes it fold? It's all about keeping things tidy, kind of like water and oil. Imagine you have a glass of water and you pour a little bit of oil in. What happens? The oil does not like the water. It clumps together into a blob to get away from the water. It's the same inside your cells. Some beads on the protein chain are oily. We call them hydrophobic. They don't like the watery environment of the cell. So they all hide together in the middle of protein, forming a tight, waterproof core. This clumping is a massive push that forces the protein to fold up. But there is also a little battle going on called nature versus the mess. Nature loves mess. Scientists call this entropy, but you can just think of it as messiness. A protein that is folded into a precise shape is very tidy. That's a loss of messiness which nature does not like. However, when the oily beads huddle together, they kick the water molecules out. Those water molecules, which were trapped and stiff, are now free to go swimming around. This creates more messiness in the water than the tidiness of the protein. So, overall, the universe gets messier and nature is happy. So, the protein folds to hide the oily beads. As it folds, the other beads lock into place with tiny sticky forces. They are like weak magnets or Velcro strips that hold the final shape together. Imagine you finally fold your paper crane, but you make a mistake. It is not a bird, it's just a crumpled mess. It can't fly anymore. When a protein misfolds in your body, it becomes useless trash. Worse than that, the crumpled proteins can stick together and create clumps that gum up the works. These clumps are linked to serious brain diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. Understanding why proteins fold helps us understand what goes wrong in these diseases. So, there you have it. Protein folding is a race between a chain hiding from water and tiny magnets locking together. It's the physics of creating a beautiful machine from a simple string. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.